Restoring the heart. Overcoming social isolation in retirement. An opening note of reflection. When was the last time you laughed in someone's company? Not at a TV show, but in a conversation that lit your spirit? Picture yourself alone in a quiet afternoon, no calls, no visits, no dinner plans. A gentle ache whispers, "I miss real connection." If that ache feels all too familiar, you're not alone. Retirement can bring freedom, but also a surprising loneliness. Today, we're not chasing crowds. We're exploring the power of one genuine greeting, one shared cup of tea, one heartfelt hello. Because meaningful moments don't require numbers. They need only our presence, both given and received. Let's walk together from quiet isolation to simple, soul-warming connection. The awakening moment. Hello, I'm ordinary people, your neighbor in this season of life. You left the office behind, but you didn't leave behind the need to matter. In retirement, our days stretch wide, yet our social world often grows narrow. Maybe you thought freeing your schedule would free your heart too. But absence of work ties can shrink the circle of warm voices around you. In the next 30 minutes, we'll explore why social bonds are critical for health and joy in later years, what science tells us about loneliness and belonging, 5 simple practices to rebuild connection, deeper insights that show how bonds transform body and mind. Retirement may change your calendar, but it need not change your capacity to care and be cared for. Let's begin. The awakening of curiosity. We are wired for connection. No surprise? The science says it all. Dr. Robert J. Waldinger, director of Harvard's 85-year study of adult development, reported, "Good relationships keep us happier and healthier, period." The study followed hundreds of men and later their families over decades. Those with warm friendships and steady ties lived longer, recovered faster from illness, and enjoyed sharper minds. Stanford's Dr. Laura Carstensen offers socio-emotional selectivity theory. As we age, our time feels precious, and we crave depth in fewer bonds. Quality trumps quantity, she explains. We invest in relationships that feel meaningful above all else. Yet retirement often erases daily group lunches, water cooler chats, and project teams. Our brains register this loss as stress. Cortisol rises. Sleep suffers. Immune strength dips. Dr. Mo Wang's retirement research confirms. Initiating social interactions post-retirement enhances life satisfaction and self-esteem. Meanwhile, Dr. Becca Levy at Yale revealed that positive attitudes toward aging extend life by an average of 7.5 years, partly by reducing the harmful effects of isolation on heart health and inflammation. Dr. Nancy Schlossberg's transition theory reminds us that roles shape identity. When the work role dissolves, we need new roles, often in community, to stay anchored. Role replacement keeps us grounded and confident, she notes. The message is clear. Retirement isn't the end of social life. It's the moment to choose connections with care. Insight 1. Reach out with courage. Your first bridge back to warmth is a simple hello. A single call can transform a silent week into a warm one, says Dr. Mo Wang. Practical steps. 1. 5-name list. List 5 friends or relatives you miss. 2. 1-sentence start. Send a text. I miss our chats. Tea soon. 3. Schedule twice weekly. Block 1 phone call and 1 in-person or video date each week. These small invitations release oxytocin, our natural stress regulator, and signal, you still matter. Dr. Richard Leider, founder of the Purpose Company, reminds us, mattering is the heartbeat of purpose. Each reach out is a heartbeat, steady, life-affirming, and simple. Insight 2. Join or form a mini community. We may leave work, but we needn't leave community. When work roles end, we need social roles to stay rooted, says Dr. Nancy Schlossberg. Practical steps. 1. Interest groups. Join or start a small circle book club, walking group, craft share. 2. Rotation host. Launch Thursday Tailies, each member hosts once a month. 3. Digital Circle. Create a weekly video call gathering for distant friends. Dr. Waldinger's study shows that shared laughter soothes more than conversation alone. Quality social time strengthens immunity and mood. Dr. Lovra Karstensen adds, emotionally meaningful bonds extend our cognitive vitality. A small nurturing circle can light up your calendar and your spirit. Insight 3. Connection flourishes in giving. Many retirees are hungry for purpose, notes Dr. Ken Deichtwald. Practical steps. 1. Micro-volunteering. Tutor once a week. Plant flowers at the library. Assist at a food bank. 2. Intergenerational bridges. Share life stories with students or mentor a newcomer online. 3. Skill swap. Exchange cooking tips for tech help with neighbors. Dr. Leiter emphasizes, serving others cements belonging and elevates well-being. Studies reveal that altruistic roles lower stress, lift mood, and build fresh networks, turning your talents into threads of community. Insight 4. Regular rituals are the anchors of social life. Shared routines rebuild identity when work disappears, explains Schlossberg. Practical steps. 1. Weekly sunrise share. Monday morning call to reflect on weekend joys. 2. Midweek meetup. Wednesday afternoon park walk with a friend. 3. Friday happy 5. Each share 5 good things from the week via group text. Dr. Wang's research finds that predictable social markers curb feelings of drift and isolation. As Dr. Karstensen remarks, when time feels precious, small moments become profoundly meaningful. These collective rituals reweave the social fabric of your day stitch by loving stitch. Insight 5. Old friends are treasure chests of shared history. Practical steps. 1. Memory mail. Send a postcard with a favorite shared memory. 2. Photo prompt calls. Pick one old photo and call someone to relive that moment. 3. Anniversary dates. Mark the date of a fun trip or achievement and celebrate together each year. Dr. Becca Levy's work shows that positive nostalgia triggers oxytocin and deepens social resilience, even boosting longevity by years. Dr. Leiter urges, attention to each other is the highest form of love. These reconnecting rituals remind both giver and receiver that your shared story still matters. The final light lets deepen our understanding. 1. Oxytocin's nighttime role. Evening calls and rituals trigger oxytocin surges that bolster MA sleep and heart health. 2. Amygdala regulation. Quality ties calm the fear center, lifting chronic loneliness stress and lowering cortisol. 3. Neuroplastic growth. Narrative and social engagement grow prefrontal circuitry, enhancing memory and emotional balance. 4. Epigenetic age beliefs. Positive social attitudes alter gene expression in stress pathways, preserving telomeres and extending healthy years by 7.5. 5. Gut-brain axis. Shared meals and mindful rituals nurture gut flora, boosting serotonin, the precursor to melatonin for synchronized rhythms. Dr. Waldinger's long-term findings confirm. Social connection is our greatest biological asset. Every hello, every shared laugh, every act of service rewires your brain and body toward deeper health and joy. From knowing to becoming, we began by naming the ache of isolation. Now you hold 5 keys to unlock the warmth of genuine connection. 1. Reach out with courage. 2. Build small nurturing communities. 3. Serve and belong. 4. Create shared rituals. 5. Rekindle old bonds. Science and soul unite. Relationships are air. Relationships are water. We cannot flourish without them. Dr. Karstensen reminds us. We savor the present more deeply when time feels finite. Retirement may change your calendar, but it need not change your capacity to care, to share, and to be known. Until the next reflection before you go, consider this. What one connection step will you take today? A message to an old friend? A mini volunteering hour? A foam ritual set on your calendar? Choose your step and share it in the comments below. Your action may spark someone else's comeback to belonging. If this journey resonated, please like and share to inspire another retiree. Subscribe and tap the bell. Join our circle of reconnection. Comment your first step. Pledge Ignite the next wave of warmth. Loneliness is not a verdict, it's a nudge toward needed bonds. Your heart's call for connection is the compass to joy. I'm Ordinary People, your neighbor in this art of gentle reunion, and I believe a single greeting can guide us home to each other's hearts. Thank you for walking this path with me. Until next time, be present, be seen, be known. I'm Ordinary People. See you in the next reflection.